To keep your kitchen stocked with big, nutritious potatoes without having to go out and buy them, watch my full video to learn how to use kitchen trash cans and barrels to grow potatoes. Surely you know that potatoes not only make family meals more interesting, but are also especially good for our health. Potatoes not only provide us with daily nutrition, but are also good for the heart, eyesight, aid digestion, and provide iron for the body. To grow potatoes, I will first select quality seed potatoes to germinate before planting. Potato propagation is very easy. We just need to choose the required number of potatoes in trays. I use vitamin B1 mixed with water and spray it on the seed potato tray. Then I spread a wet towel on the surface of the tray to keep it moist and avoid insects. Vitamin B1 is very effective in the potato seedling process, helping potatoes germinate and root quickly and healthily, enhancing photosynthesis and helping plants better withstand adverse conditions. While waiting for these potatoes to sprout, I will prepare the planting material. In this video, I will show you how to use recycled plastic baskets, which are very common around us, to grow potatoes. Simple but effective. When preparing the soil, we want it to have long-term nutrients and always be loose. In addition to adding worm castings, I also mix rice husks into the soil. When I put soil in the pot to plant the tree, I use a plastic sheet to make a border to prevent the soil from falling down. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. I have everything ready to plant potatoes. Now let's check if the potatoes have sprouted. Thanks to choosing the right quality potato variety, after only 5 days of spraying B1 and storing in a cool place, the potato seeds germinated. No need to wait. I will plant them now. I chose to plant 2 potatoes in a basket, about 20 centimeters apart. This distance is ideal for the potatoes to grow. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. After planting, we just need to water enough to keep the potatoes moist to grow. Adding rice husks to the soil for planting is very convenient. In addition to providing long-term nutrition, it also helps loosen the soil and does not erode the seedlings when watering. The germination stage of potatoes is very sensitive to weather, insects, and pests, so we must always pay attention. At this stage, my first choice is to use the right tools. Plow the soil to create metabolism, remove weeds, and add soil for the potatoes. We must always keep the soil loose. The soil will transform and the potatoes will grow very easily. I maintain the nutrition of the potatoes by adding worm castings to the plants. My health as well as the health of those around me are important, so using worm castings to fertilize potatoes is very good. It is environmentally friendly and non-toxic to us. We must always maintain moisture for the plant by watering it twice a day with just enough water, so that the plant does not lack water and is not waterlogged. After 25 days of planting, the potato plants have grown many branches, and at this stage the plants are forming tubers, so we need to take care of them. We can see the potato plant growing green, plump, and healthy like this, strong enough to produce tubers and be effective. At this stage, I will use coconut milk mixed with water to water the plants. Coconut milk has many beneficial uses when caring for plants, including providing nutrients, improving soil aeration, and supporting the plant's immune system. Additionally, I use extra soil to compensate for the potato roots, so that there is enough space for the tubers to grow and the plants can withstand the weather outside. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Potatoes are a short-term tuber crop, so we can harvest after about 2.5 months. Isn't it great, everyone? After only 2.5 months, the potatoes I planted have produced a lot of tubers. Now I can use them for daily meals and as gifts for relatives. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.